Change. I love it. I fear it. Change is the essence of growth, but it also indicates the end of something. And sometimes I don't want it to end. I miss the times I was a kid playing pool or ping pong with my dad before the divorce. I miss the times I laughed at the silliest things with my sister when we shared the same room before we moved. I miss all the friends I spent countless days with in school, just chatting, joking around, and hanging out. More so than anyone I know, I hold on to past memories with a death grip. I never want to forget, and that's why I've journaled about every day since 2014. But sometimes holding on means my present day actions are based on the past. I message old friends once in a while to try to keep up, but I know our friendship is no longer what it was in the past. I still work on goals like the middle splits from my college days. I still want to upload to this channel because I feel an obligation to the past me. The past means a lot to me, and it isn't necessarily bad that I hold on so strongly, but there are things that I hold on to that hold me back. I've gotten fixated on video. For this channel, I strive to create well-written scripts, expressing my thoughts and telling stories with well-edited videos. But I know if I hold on to that, I'll continue to be distracted from the projects I've always wanted to finish and my true passions. That's why these days, I've been learning to let go and allow change to take its course. So for the time being, I'm no longer going to be uploading regular videos on Dreamlet. However, I still want to express my thoughts and tell stories, so my solution is to start a podcast. Podcasts are a way for me to hang out with my friends while still sharing my thoughts and stories. They allow me to be more myself since I'm talking to another person instead of a camera or a microphone, and the time it takes to edit an audio-only podcast is significantly less than a video. I've tried doing a podcast before, but my heart wasn't really in it. This time around, I feel like I'm ready. Change doesn't have to only be about what has been lost. Change can be something interesting and exciting. The relationships I have with my friends and family may be different from the past, but I have the power to evolve it into something even better for the future. The goals I've had in the past that I still care about can still be achieved, but I need to take a brand new approach with the same amount of vigor I had when I first wanted it. And the change for this channel is a new beginning for me to finally connect with others in a way I've always wanted. I'll look back on the videos I've made on this channel fondly, but I'm looking forward to sharing interesting conversations I have with my friends and accomplished guests that I can get on the podcast. This is the change I've decided on, and I hope you join me for the ride. It's gonna be fun.